Immaculate Show. Most of you wonder why I do content specifically about money, about how to make money online or with apps. Others wonder, why can't you, Kristen, bring about the big business, about the supermarkets? There are very many reasons, and I'm giving them to you this Saturday. This is a Money Gig Saturday. So why do I bring for you apps and the social media platform? There are very many reasons, but I'm going to give you reasons as I move with you on a business gig or a money gig. Have you subscribed to Immaculate Show? If you haven't subscribed, please go and hit the subscribe button on the link. You can see it below. And also, if you know you are our royal viewers, we love you so much and we heart you because you're one of your kind. By the way, you make us. This is a money gig channel sponsored by Immaculate Show. Immaculate Show has very many shows, but this money gig can move you from one step to another. Now, let's go back and dive in exactly. Why do we give you only about apps and money and social media platforms? First of all, it's about capital. Most of people around the world, capital is very hard for you. I know you know what I'm talking about. The capital you see, it's not a joke. Let's move into some of the shops. For example, I'll take the sample 5 to 6 shops, and you see, can you really get that capital? That is one. The second one is about competition. Some of us, we don't know how to handle competition, so it is very hard. I have an experience in this. I've done businesses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not even 10, but I know, can you really handle the competition? The answer is no. Right. Then the third one is about trustworthy. Where you are, you might not have trusted people to handle that business of yours. Are you going to sit there yourself? I'm going to take you to the steps and some of the strategies. People who have succeeded or who are still in this business, they have strategies and they have supervision. But most of us will not have supervision. You'll find we are still doing job, we are still on other jobs, so we cannot have supervision. And when we don't have supervision, they'll eat the whole amount of money. Me, I've been there. I've been doing business and I hand it to other people, and it ended up, I know if you're watching and you're from Uganda, even from Dubai, I've done more than 5 businesses. I'm handling it to other people. But when we come to online business, when we come to apps, you can do it from yourself. You can do it yourself without looking for the other managers. So can we now go to another point why I encourage you to do online business, to do social media business? It's about location. Do you have, it goes hand in hand with money. Do you have really money for you to go and rent a building? Really, I'm going to take you, I'm giving you a sample space of Dubai, of Sharjah, of Alain. Can you really be in position to get a sponsor? Can you be in position to get all those 6 to 12 month rent, and at the same time you put workers? No, I know you might not, but if you're somebody who is in your room, you can do online business. If you're somebody who is interested, you can sit on social media, is it Facebook, is it YouTube, and you do your business. So this is exactly what I'm talking about, and this is the reason why are we encouraging you to do these apps. There is no any other thing. It is more advantageous, by the way. Another thing, you can sit and determine how much do you want to earn. With physical businesses, you might not determine, but with online and apps and social media, you can determine. So let's move together. Today I'm going to take you in some of the shops, different businesses that we know everybody would say, I can do this business. We are going to go together this Saturday and we see, can you really do it? And then we come back and we see, why do we sing about online money gigs? And another question I know you're asking, is it real? Are people getting it? Yes. If they are not getting it, they would not be there. Facebook would not be there. YouTube would not be there. Instagram would not be there. These apps would not be there. People are getting real money. So let's move together and you see this.
So guys, before doing anything, I appreciate the work and the advice and tutoring of one of my technician. Is called Mohammed. You're so good and I appreciate you. So you can see here I'm in this is the shop. It's a mini supermarket. The amount of money that is within here, you might not get it. For you to sustain it, for you to push it, compared to the online business. Online business, you don't need you don't need capital, you don't need investment. But if you see the like how wide this and the variety of things that are in this shop, it means there's really enough investment, and you have to also have something in reserve for something else, for the bills, for the place. Now we come to this grocery. It's like also a grocery, but a very big grocery. It's one of the biggest in my area. When you go here, I'm just showing you only one side. Only this side, you might fail not to maintain it, even if they give it to you where you are. Especially, I know my audience, this one alone, and they say be merchandising with your products, and you see the returns and pay rent for it and pay. You might not manage compared to online business, where you don't need any investment. The investment you need only your time, your presence, your passion, your zeal, and even your innovativeness. Only that. So now, these are 101 reasons why I really tell you, and why I just channel to money gigs, that is free money online, whereby you only invest your time, you only invest your presence. You might not manage the competition here, you might not manage the supervision, you might not manage all other costs that are involved or around these shops and other things. That's why I don't bring it to my audience. And why should I bring them when we have where we can get free money?
So now, guys, you have seen for yourself. I want you to decide today. Can you do online business? Yes. Can you do social media business? Yes. What do you need? You need focus, you need persistence, you need zeal, and above all, I need you to know, what do you do yourself? What is your product? Your product is within you, is within around you. You're not going to copy and paste. The day you copy and paste, it will be over. So now, have you been really blessed by this video? If you have been blessed by this video, please go down and hit the subscription button. Don't forget to share it outside. This is a Money Gigs channel sponsored by Immaculate Show. I remain Christine today. I'm your host, as always, sponsored and really catered for